Today, I want to show you how can I verify Facebook Business Manager. Verifying your Facebook Business Manager account is crucial to establish trust, access advanced features, and enhance the credibility of your business on their Facebook. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of verifying your account efficiently. Okay, friends, let's start. First, we will click on Ads Manager Options. Then we will click on All Tools option and click on the Business Settings option. Now we will click on Business Manager from the left side. Then we will click on the Go to Business Settings option and make it the full version. Now, before we verify the Business Manager, let's see what is the status of the Business Manager. Look, friends, the Business Manager is in unverified status. Now we will click on three dots and go to the Commerce Manager option. Now we will click on Start Verification and Submit Documents. After submitting, click on Finish. Now it may take a minimum of 20 minutes to a maximum of 2 days to be verified. After exactly 20 minutes, we will check if it has been verified. See, it has been verified, alhamdulillah. If you need Business Manager verified, contact us on our WhatsApp number 01400933707.